Hello guys, welcome back. Video number 62. In the last video we learned about how to improve or how to increase our website load times, and this is a practical time. I promised you in last video that I'll be teaching you all this thing, how to remove all the blocking elements that we can improve our website. So the first one, we are talking about how to compress HTML CSS in WordPress. So HTML mean the design of the part they are coding, okay, and CSS is called cascading style sheet. So anything design like give their kind of their part, or you can say style, like if I want to change font style, so with the help of CSS I can change. If I want to change the position, if I want to change their look and feel, so everything is possible with the help of CSS. So how we can compress mean we want to reduce our HTML CSS. So it doesn't mean we have to remove, it mean we have to align, we have to reduce their size and everything. So let me open my WordPress admin panel. Okay, for HTML and CSS I need to install one plugin, free of cost plugin. So I'm going to install, add new one. I'm suggesting you two, starts with two. One is auto optimize and second one is W3 total cache. It even WordPress suggests you, so recommended you look at this. Which one? I think next page. If you don't find like me, so you can like search on top and you can see compress. So compress we have to use just type minify and W3 total cache, which, and look at this. So both are the important, they have a million of active users who are using all these tools. So same you can use trusty tools, don't worry about the bot tools. So we can use it, and how we can use I am sharing with you. So same you can need to use, you can activate. Okay, so both are activated. Now let's go their setting. First of all, I am trying to set my auto optimize. So you have to choose one. Okay, to save. So I just need to refresh. Let me refresh. Now let's see any website score improved or not. You can see that it was a 57, now we have a 66, so it's improving. We need to do lots of things. Okay, more thing we have to work as per Google suggest us. JavaScript. So for JavaScript we have to go this setting, W3 total cache, more powerful tool. So guys, with the help of these tools, so you just need to activate minify options. Once you activate it, you just need to purge page cache remove. Okay, then automatically this problem resolved. You don't need to worry about that. If you find any issue in your Elementor, one thing I forgot to share with you. Sometime this plugin they face you have to face issue like Elementor compatibility with this. So you have, if you are creating a website or you are learning, okay, so you just deactivate right now. Okay, once you created a website, everything done properly, and now you want to work on improve website. So what you can do it, you can just enable it and activate all the minify options, JavaScript and all these thing, and remove all these thing. Now you can, because you don't have any work to do, manually create everything you have already done, so you can use. Hope you like this video and you can definitely try. I'll see you in next video. Okay, bye guys.